What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Well, I've been going through some things, of course, but you know what? It ain't nothing that can't be handled. You understand what I'm saying? So, anyway, wifey comes home. She can't get in the house. She gives me a call. She's like, babe, I don't know what's going on with the garage door. It's acting up. And I say, well, it's probably one of the springs is broke. Because think about it. Our temperature has been bouncing from a minus 20-degree wind chill to as warm as 55 degrees today. So anyway, she gets in the house, she comes in the garage, she looks, and sure enough, one of the springs is broke. So, and that's something you just can't fix right away. So I do a little running around to see if I can find the spring last Saturday, couldn't find any. So I had to order a set from Amazon. Well, they came today and no big deal. Hurried up and took care of them. So here's the others. Here's the old set. Here's the old set of springs. And as you can see, there's the broken piece right there. Yeah, that's the broken piece. And as you can see, there's the new ones. They're all installed and ready to go. So I'm about to hook the garage door opener up, and I've already tested with my hand, so I know it's good. So I'm about to hook the garage door opener back up and click it back in, and boom, our garage door is back operable. So I hope everybody's having a good night, and this is how I'm spending our Valentine's Day, working on something at the house. But we are going to do our celebration on Sunday. I just didn't think it was fair to try to rush something on tonight, and then we got to go to work tomorrow and then all that. So we're going to celebrate ours on Sunday. I mean, when you've been together as long as me and my wife has, it ain't no big deal. Our love is shown every day, 365, not just one day a year. All right. Love y'all. Everybody have a good one. Whoops. I didn't mean to do that.